My topic is influencer marketing in detail explained, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Influencer marketing is a type of marketing strategy where brands collaborate with individuals known as influencers, who have a large following on social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. These influencers are often popular figures in specific industries, such as fashion, fitness, or travel, and are often seen as experts or authorities in their respective fields. Influencer marketing aims to leverage the influencer's reputation and social media reach to promote a brand's products or services. As such, influencers are often provided with free products or other incentives in exchange for promoting the brand to their followers. Influencer marketing has become increasingly popular in recent years, with brands of all sizes leveraging influencer marketing to reach new audiences and improve their online presence. However, as with any marketing strategy, influencer marketing has its own set of challenges and limitations, including the need to identify and work with the right influencers and to effectively measure the success of influencer campaigns. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, I can provide you with some general marketing topics that were trending on YouTube at that time. However, please note that the trends on YouTube are constantly evolving, and it's best to check the platform directly for the latest marketing topics that are currently popular. Here are a few marketing-related topics that were trending on YouTube. Influencer marketing is a marketing strategy that involves collaborating with influential individuals or content creators, known as influencers, to promote products, services, or brands to their target audience. Influencers have a loyal and engaged following on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and others, and their recommendations can have a significant impact on consumer behavior. Importance of influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has gained popularity due to the increasing use of social media and the declining effectiveness of traditional advertising. It allows brands to tap into the trust and authenticity that influencers have built with their audience. Identifying the right influencers. Brands need to identify influencers who align with their target audience, brand values, and objectives. Factors to consider include the influencer's niche, audience demographics, engagement rates, content quality, and authenticity. Types of influencer collaborations. Brands can collaborate with influencers in various ways, such as sponsored posts, product reviews, giveaways, brand ambassadorships, affiliate marketing, and content co-creation. The type of collaboration depends on the campaign goals and the relationship with the influencer. Micro-influencers and nano-influencers. In addition to traditional influencers with a large following, micro-influencers, 10,000 to 100,000 followers, and nano-influencers, few thousand followers, have gained attention. They often have a more niche audience and can provide higher engagement rates and a more cost-effective approach to influencer marketing. Influencer guidelines and regulations. To ensure transparency, many countries have implemented guidelines and regulations regarding influencer marketing. These guidelines often require influencers to disclose their sponsored content and clarify their relationship with the brand. Measuring success. Brands should establish clear metrics and goals to measure the success of influencer marketing campaigns. These can include reach, engagement, conversions, brand sentiment, and return on investment, ROI. Tracking tools and analytics help assess the impact of influencer collaborations. Authenticity and long-term partnerships. Authenticity is crucial in influencer marketing. Long-term partnerships with influencers who genuinely resonate with the brand can be more effective than one-off campaigns. Building relationships and trust with influencers can lead to more authentic content and better results. It's worth noting that trends in influencer marketing can change over time as platforms evolve and consumer behavior shifts. Therefore, it's essential to stay updated with the latest industry developments and best practices when implementing influencer marketing strategies. Define your objectives and plan. Do your research and tailor your outreach. Beware of phonies. Identify the best influencers for your needs. Understand the value you can provide them. Engage on social media. Dig deep into their available analytics. Aim for long-term relationships. Nurture the relationship with your influencers. Make sure their followers match your target audience. You don't want your cat-loving e-commerce brand to work with an influencer whose followers mainly love horses. It won't work. Try searching internationally for the right influencer for your market. Never turn your nose up to influencers across the ocean. Check out their past campaigns and collabs. See what's worked for these influencers and how effective their campaigns were. Consider enlisting the help of an agency. It's never a bad idea to ask for an extra hand if you find yourself struggling. Use branded links to track offline influencer marketing. Avoid micromanaging. Let them exercise their creative freedom. Don't expect sudden results. Things take time. Especially in marketing. Be realistic and easy to work with. Gift your influencers. Reward them without expecting anything in return. Show your appreciation for your partnered influencers. One of the benefits of influencer marketing is that it allows brands to reach their target audience in a more authentic and organic way. Influencers have built their following based on their credibility, expertise, and personality, and their followers often view them as trusted sources of information and recommendations. Moreover, influencer marketing can help brands improve their brand awareness, engagement, and sales. By collaborating with influencers, brands can tap into their followers' enthusiasm and loyalty, boosting their brand's reputation and credibility. In addition, influencer marketing can help brands gain access to new customer segments that they may not have been able to reach through traditional marketing channels. However, there are also some challenges and limitations associated with influencer marketing. For one, it can be challenging to find the right influencers to work with, as there are many individuals and accounts on social media claiming to be influencers. It's important to do research and evaluate potential influencers based on factors such as their audience demographics, engagement rates, and past partnerships. Moreover, it can be difficult to measure the success of influencer campaigns, as there is often no standard way to track and quantify the impact of influencer posts. Brands need to establish clear objectives and metrics for their influencer campaigns and use tools such as influencer marketing software to track their performance. Finally, there is also the risk of influencer fraud and fake followers, as some influencers may artificially inflate their follower count to appear more popular and influential than they actually are. It's essential for brands to monitor their influencer partnerships and ensure that their influencers are delivering the expected ROI. Influencer marketing is a form of marketing that enables businesses to collaborate with individuals who have a following for increased brand exposure. Companies may ask a person with a large following to publish social media content that promotes their products or services. People often follow individuals they trust on social media, so if they see someone they follow advertising your business, there's an inherent trust factor you can lean on to boost your conversion rate. An integral part of any influencer strategy is figuring out which influencers might suit your company. For example, if you sell facial moisturizers, you may want to work with an influencer with a strong track record of success promoting skincare products. In this scenario, it's best to partner with individuals that meet this criteria because those who follow that specific influencer are interested in what they have to say. Once you find an influencer you like, reach out and see if you can strike a deal. For this transaction, you may allow them to receive a commission on all the products and services they sell. As an example, you might give them 10% of the revenue generated from the products and services they sell on your behalf. You'll need to review the numbers to see if this agreement is viable, and you might even want to partner with multiple influencers as a part of your influencer strategy. Influencer marketing is a marketing strategy that involves collaborating with influential individuals, known as influencers, to promote a product, service, or brand. These influencers typically have a large following and are considered experts or influential figures within a specific niche or industry. Here are some key points about influencer marketing. Definition: influencer marketing leverages the trust and authority of influencers to reach and engage with a target audience. Instead of directly promoting products or services, brands collaborate with influencers to create content that aligns with their audience's interests and preferences. Types of influencers: influencers can be categorized based on the size of their following and the level of influence they hold. They range from micro-influencers, typically with a few thousand to tens of thousands of followers, to macro-influencers, with hundreds of thousands or millions of followers, and even celebrity influencers. Platforms: influencer marketing is prevalent across various platforms, including YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and blogs. Each platform offers unique advantages and caters to different target audiences. Brands choose platforms based on their marketing goals and the demographics of their target. Influencer marketing can provide several benefits, including increased brand awareness, reaching a highly targeted audience, driving engagement, generating leads, and influencing purchasing decisions. By partnering with influencers, brands can tap into their credibility and authenticity to establish trust with their audience. Influencer collaborations. Brands can collaborate with influencers in various ways, such as sponsored content, product placements, affiliate marketing, brand ambassadorships, and influencer takeovers. The specific collaboration type depends on the brand's goals, budget, and the nature of the product or service being promoted. Authenticity and transparency. Authenticity and transparency are crucial in influencer marketing. Audiences value genuine recommendations and can easily spot inauthentic promotions. Brands and influencers should aim for transparent collaborations and clearly disclose any sponsored content or partnerships to maintain trust. Measuring success. Measuring the success of influencer marketing campaigns involves tracking metrics such as reach, engagement, likes, comments, shares, click-through rates, conversions, and return on investment, ROI. Brands can use specialized influencer marketing platforms or track metrics through unique URLs and affiliate links. It's worth noting that the influencer marketing landscape is constantly evolving, and new trends and best practices emerge regularly. Staying up to date with the latest developments and understanding the dynamics of the specific niche or industry you're targeting is essential for a successful influencer marketing strategy. Influencer marketing is a marketing strategy that involves collaborating with influential individuals, often referred to as influencers, to promote a brand, product, or service to their audience. It has become a significant trend in the marketing industry and has gained substantial attention on platforms like YouTube. Here are some key points related to influencer marketing. Definition and importance. Influencer marketing leverages the reach, credibility, and influence of popular individuals on social media platforms to create brand awareness, drive engagement, and increase sales. Influencers have built a loyal following and can sway consumer opinions and purchasing decisions. Types of influencers. Influencers come in various forms, such as celebrities, industry experts, content creators, social media personalities, bloggers, and vloggers. They have different audience sizes, demographics, and areas of expertise. Benefits of influencer marketing. Influencer marketing offers several advantages, including increased brand visibility, reaching a targeted audience, building trust and authenticity, generating user-generated content, boosting engagement, and driving conversions. Finding and selecting influencers. Marketers can identify relevant influencers by researching within their industry, using influencer marketing platforms, analyzing social media metrics, considering audience demographics and engagement rates, and assessing the influencer's alignment with the brand values and target audience. Collaboration and campaigns. Once influencers are selected, marketers can collaborate with them to create tailored campaigns. This may involve sponsored content, product reviews, giveaways, social media takeovers, or brand ambassadorships. Clear communication, creative briefs, and contractual agreements are essential for successful collaborations. Measurement and analytics. Evaluating the success of influencer marketing campaigns is crucial. Metrics such as reach, engagement, conversions, click-through rates, and sentiment analysis can help assess the campaign's impact. Affiliate links, trackable codes, and custom landing pages are often used to measure campaign performance. Regulations and transparency. As influencer marketing continues to grow, regulatory bodies and platforms have implemented guidelines to ensure transparency and proper disclosure of sponsored content. Influencers and brands need to comply with these regulations to maintain trust and transparency with their audiences. It's important to note that trends in influencer marketing can change over time, with new strategies, platforms, and best practices emerging. It's advisable to stay updated with the latest developments by following industry blogs, attending conferences, and monitoring the current discussions and case studies on YouTube and other relevant platforms. Influencer marketing is a popular marketing trend that involves collaborating with influential individuals, known as influencers, to promote products, services, or brands to their followers. YouTube is one of the major platforms where influencer marketing thrives, and there are several trending topics related to this subject. Here are some key aspects of influencer marketing that you might find discussed on YouTube. Influencer selection, videos discussing how to find and choose the right influencers for your brand, including factors such as audience demographics, engagement rates, niche relevance, and authenticity, influencer partnerships and campaigns, content that showcases successful influencer marketing campaigns, case studies, and best practices for creating effective partnerships with influencers. Negotiating and managing influencer relationships, tips and strategies for negotiating contracts, setting expectations, and effectively managing relationships with influencers throughout the collaboration process. FTC guidelines and disclosure, information on the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, regulations regarding sponsored content and the proper disclosure of brand partnerships in influencer marketing. Micro-influencers and nano-influencers, videos highlighting the rise of micro-influencers, those with a smaller but highly engaged following, and nano-influencers, influencers with a very small following but a highly targeted niche audience. Influencer fraud and authenticity, discussions on the prevalence of influencer fraud, fake followers, and the importance of partnering with authentic influencers who genuinely align with your brand values. Measurement and ROI, content that delves into the measurement and evaluation of influencer marketing campaigns, including metrics to track, tools for analysis, and calculating return on investment, ROI. These are just a few aspects of influencer marketing that you might find trending on YouTube. Remember to stay updated on the latest videos and channels dedicated to influencer marketing to explore the most current discussions and insights in this field. Influencer marketing has been a significant trend in recent years, and it continues to be a popular topic on YouTube. Influencer marketing involves collaborating with individuals who have a strong online presence and a dedicated following to promote products, services, or brands. Here are some specific aspects of influencer marketing that you might find trending on YouTube. Influencer marketing strategies, videos discussing different influencer marketing strategies, such as finding the right influencers, negotiating collaborations, and measuring campaign success, can provide valuable insights to marketers and businesses. Case studies and success stories, YouTube creators often share their experiences with influencer marketing campaigns, highlighting successful collaborations and the impact they had on their brand or business. Influencer selection and vetting, with the increasing number of influencers available, videos discussing how to identify and evaluate suitable influencers for specific campaigns have gained popularity. They often provide tips on metrics to consider, authenticity checks, and tools that can assist in the selection process. Influencer marketing platforms and tools. YouTube is a platform where creators often share their experiences with various influencer marketing platforms and tools. These videos may cover topics such as finding influencers, managing collaborations, and tracking campaign performance. Influencer marketing mistakes and lessons learned. Content creators may share their experiences with influencer marketing campaigns that didn't go as planned. These videos offer insights into common mistakes and valuable lessons for marketers to avoid similar pitfalls. Influencer marketing trends and predictions. YouTube is a hub for discussions on marketing trends, and influencers are a significant part of that conversation. Videos analyzing emerging trends, predicting future directions for influencer marketing, and discussing the evolving influencer landscape can provide valuable insights to marketers. Remember, the trends on YouTube are constantly changing, so it's a good idea to search for the latest videos and channels specifically focused on influencer marketing to stay up to date with the most recent discussions and insights. Overall, while influencer marketing can be a powerful tool for brands, it requires a thoughtful and strategic approach to be successful. By partnering with the right influencers, setting clear goals and metrics, and monitoring and evaluating performance, brands can leverage influencer marketing to build their brand, engage with their target audience. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.